Every morning we face a fundamental choice. It's a decision that might seem small, but it holds immense power over the course of our day and ultimately our lives. We can stay asleep, comfortable and safe beneath the covers. It's tempting to remain in that warm cocoon, avoiding the challenges and uncertainties that await us. Or we can choose to wake up. Waking up is more than just a physical act. It's a commitment to face the day with purpose and determination. We can choose to wake up and fight for our dreams. This means taking those first steps, no matter how small, towards the goals that ignite our passion and drive. This choice, simple as it seems, sets the tone for our entire day. It influences our mindset, our actions, and our interactions with others. It determines whether we take control of our lives or let life control us. By choosing to be proactive, we empower ourselves to shape our destiny. What will you choose tomorrow morning? Will you embrace the opportunity to grow, to learn, and to make a difference? The answer lies within you. It's a deeply personal decision that reflects your values, your aspirations, and your willingness to take action. It's about deciding what you want your life to be. It's about envisioning your future and taking deliberate steps to turn that vision into reality. Do you want to merely exist, or do you want to truly live? The choice is yours, and it starts with the decision you make each morning. I remember a friend who decided to start waking up at 4 a.m. every day. It wasn't an easy decision, but he was determined to make a change in his life. He wanted to write a book, and he knew this was the only way to find the time. The quiet hours of the early morning were his only opportunity to focus without distractions. The first few weeks were brutal. Each morning felt like a monumental challenge, and the temptation to stay in bed was overwhelming. His alarm would go off, and it felt like a losing battle against sleep. The sound of the alarm was harsh, cutting through the silence of the night. He would hit the snooze button, promising himself just 5 more minutes. Those 5 minutes often turned into 10, and sometimes even longer. But slowly, day by day, he began to win the battle. He started to develop a routine, and his body began to adjust to the early wake-up time. The early mornings became a little easier. He found solace in the stillness of the dawn, and the quiet moments became a source of inspiration. He started to look forward to the quiet time before the world woke up. It was his time to think, to create, and to dream. The struggle was real, but the rewards were worth it. The act of getting out of bed when you'd rather be asleep is a victory. It's a small act of defiance against the voice in your head telling you to stay comfortable. This seemingly insignificant victory sets the stage for a day of accomplishments. You've proven to yourself that you are capable of more than you think. You've overcome the first obstacle of the day. This momentum carries you forward, giving you the energy and focus to tackle bigger challenges. Section 4, the early bird's advantage. Imagine starting your day while others are still asleep. You have the quiet of the morning all to yourself. This quiet time is a gift. It's a time for reflection, for planning, for working on your goals without distractions. This is your secret weapon. While others are just starting their day, you've already gained a significant head start. This head start, accumulated day after day, can lead to remarkable results in the long run. Section 5. Time is your ally. Waking up early is not about punishing yourself. It's about giving yourself the gift of time. Time to exercise, to meditate, to read, or to simply enjoy a quiet cup of coffee. This extra time allows you to invest in yourself, to become the best version of you. It's about designing your ideal day, instead of letting the day design you. Section 6. Rise to the challenge. In a world that never sleeps, where the hustle and bustle of life never seems to pause, how do you find your edge? The world is full of talented, ambitious people. Everywhere you look, there are individuals striving to make their mark, to leave a legacy. To stand out, to achieve your dreams, you need an edge. It's not just about working hard. It's about working smart and finding that extra push. Waking up early is that edge. It's a simple yet powerful habit that can transform your life. It gives you the energy, the clarity, and the time to outwork the competition. Imagine starting your day with a clear mind, a focused heart, and a body full of energy. It's not about being superhuman, it's about making the most of the hours you have. Those early hours are a gift, a time when the world is quiet, and you can focus on what truly matters. Challenge yourself to wake up early for just 1 month. Set your alarm and commit to this new routine. Experience the difference it makes in your life. Feel the change in your productivity, your mood, and your overall well-being. Then, ask yourself, if I can do this for a month, what else am I capable of? What other challenges can I overcome? The answer may surprise you. You might discover strengths you never knew you had and find new paths to success and happiness.